In this video, we are going to make an advanced animation. We'll start by getting rid of the tutorial and the cat. We'll go to Backdrop Library, scroll to the bottom, and get the witch house. We'll go to the sprite library, get the bat, put them in the center. We're going to use his costumes, Bat A and Bat B, to make him look like he's flying. We'll start with wings up. Go back to code. Now we want to use our keyboard, the up, down, left, and right arrows on the keyboard to make him fly in the direction that we press. Before we do that, let's take a look at the coordinate grid. If we want him to go up and down, that's the blue Y axis. When he goes up, all the numbers should be positive. When he goes down, we want the number to be negative. Flying left and right, left, the number should be negative. To the right, number should be positive. So keeping those negative and positives in mind, we will start to code. First, we'll go to events. We'll get when the space bar or when the space key is pressed. We'll get two of those. I'll explain in a moment. Now we mentioned the left and right arrows. So let's start with right arrow. Let's get that to work. I'm going to add some sound when he flies. I don't know why it's an owl, but we'll use it. Now we want, when we click the right arrow, we want his wings to look like he's flying. So we'll go to looks. Bat B makes the wing go down. After his wings go down, we want him to move. Now moving to the right, if we go back to the grid, is the X and positive. So we got to find a block with the change in X. Here it is. Now 10 is good because it's positive, but I'm actually going to make it 30 so he moves farther. When he's done moving, we want him to wait a second. We'll change that to 0.5. And then we want his wings to go back up, which is, oh, there it is. Switch to costume Bat A. Sound, wings go down, flies to the right, waits, wings go back up. Let's test. Good, that works. Easy way to do the left arrow, right click on your mouse while holding your cursor on the top block. Duplicate. Now we just have to change a few things. Change the right to left. And this number right here is positive, but left is negative. So instead of positive 30, we'll use negative 30. Now I'll test. I'm pressing the left arrow and he's flying left. Now for the up and down. Let's start with the up arrow. We're going to use the same exact code with the same sounds. So sound, costume switch, wings going down, motion, up and down is Y axis. So we want a block with Y in it. Scroll down a little bit. There it is. The 10 is good because it's positive. Flying up is positive, but we're going to change that to 30. We'll do the same weight block. Give him a second before he, before he flaps his wings back up. We'll change that to 0.5. And bring his wings back up. Bat A. Now we'll test. Up arrow. Easy way to do the down arrow. Right click, duplicate, and change. Up arrow goes to down. This number has to change. Remember, going down along the Y is negative. So we'll change that to negative 30. And we'll test. Down, up arrow, right, left, And now we have a character or sprite that we can control.